Chevron is looking to sell its 50% stake in the Kitimat LNG project in northern BC. Chevron is looking to sell its 50% stake. As we just mentioned, the American energy giant says the move is part of the company's plan to cut spending and improve investor returns. Chevron, as we said, owns 50% of the LNG project. Woodside Energy International owns the other half in the joint venture. Danielle Smith from Global News Radio 770 CHQR joins us to continue this conversation. What do you make of this one, Danielle?
I don't think this is good news. I'm going to talk to Tim Pickering today from Auspice Capital to see whether or not he agrees, because the troubling thing is that one of the things that we look forward to with these LNG projects to know that they're going to go ahead is that they've got a big player willing to invest in them. We look at Shell with LNG Canada. I think Chevron being involved in this project was a really good sign of investor confidence. If they're bailing out of this, what does that mean exactly? Part of what they're saying is that they've had to do this $11 billion write-down on their assets because natural gas prices have been trending low and looks like it's going to stay that way. But Kitimat LNG is supposed to be exporting to the international markets. And so why wouldn't they want to stay there, knowing that potentially once they get to market, they're going to be able to achieve a much higher price? I think in Japan, I've seen prices even going into the double digits. And so you would think that there should still be an opportunity. That makes me wonder whether or not that there is two things going on. One, perhaps political uncertainty. Maybe they don't think that these projects are going to get all the way through the regulatory process. When Jonathan Wilkinson was at COP25 this week in Madrid, he seemed to say, well, I don't know if we're going to pursue getting offset credits if we export LNG. I think that that's a bit of a blow if the government doesn't look at LNG as being a way to meet global greenhouse gas emissions. The other is, and this is a worry I've had for some time, are we just too late to the party? Have we been waiting so long to get any of these resources developed that by the time we get there, world prices will have come down so much that it won't be worth it? So those are the things we're going to talk through with Tim Pickering today.
Yeah, it should be a good one. You can listen to more around this conversation on Danielle's show today starting at 9:30. Thanks, Danielle.
Thank you.